Today I am going to be showing you how to sign up for a free 14-day trial with LuniLearn. We are going to start on the home page. From here, click the Join button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. This will take you to the page to select the appropriate account type. Today we are going to sign up for a parent account, and you will select Start Free Trial. Once on the Create Account page, fill out all the appropriate information and click Join Now. Note that you will not be asked to put in your credit card information. If you are satisfied after your 14-day trial, you will have to put in your payment information at that time. You have now created an account, and this is your parent dashboard. The next step is to add your children to the account. For the safety of your child, you are the one who creates their account and password. Once you have filled out the information and selected your child's grade level, click Save. You can now see your child's unique username that they will use to log in. After adding your child, the next step is to go back to your dashboard and create an assignment. From the main dashboard page, click Assign Homework. Right now, you do not have any assignments, so to create one, click Create New Assignment. From here, you will select your child's grade level and the topic you want them to learn. Then click Assign as Homework and Proceed. You can assign the topic to all of your children or just one. Then you can select the assignment's due date and the difficulty level of the games. Once you have completed this step, you are able to preview what your student will see, and you will finalize the assignment. Now that you have created your first assignment, your child will be able to go in and play, and you can monitor their progress right from your dashboard. Happy learning!